Hello, good day guys. This is Carmarka.com and this is the parts for Hilux, Toyota Hilux. Complete engine components. This is an engine block with the pistons complete with crankshaft. This is a timing belt, water pump, tensioner, oil pump, a gasket set, camshaft, and the engine head, of course. All the connecting bearings, all the valves, chain timing, idling. This is how we are opening the engine to show you. All the pistons are in place, piston rings, crankshaft, connecting rods. This is a block assembly. Alright, so you just have to transfer the flywheel here, put the gaskets, put the engine head on the top. Alright. This was overheated engine, and this is why customer decided to just get another complete engine. So this is engine head over here. As you can see, it requires two camshafts.